All right, good morning, Tuesday, November 26, 4:40 a.m. Eastern. We are done with uploading our indicator. Let's go to superareas.com, log in, and you will be able to, from superareas.com, you can download the NinjaTrader 8.1.3, and there's a PDF that explains you how to do this step by step. For all of them. If you don't subscribe to our full package, you can do this on NinjaTrader Basic, the free version, or you can do this even on TradingView. So the idea is that superareas.com, we predict, as a data analyst, we predict that how market does, and we've been doing this for the last 15 years. Everything here is for informational, educational, and information technical purposes, tech data analysis, nothing to do with financial advice. We're not responsible for your wins or your losses, but just every day our algo predicts certain levels for Nasdaq, ES, Russell, Dow, so on and so forth. We give you 10 markets data, and the way we've been giving you is, let's say if you click on even yesterday, we give you like this in this format is that date, that Monday to Thursday, and then the 10 markets, ES, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Russell, etc. So 3 forex pairs, and they don't have so much of the intraday. They just have highs and lows. And ES, Dow, Nasdaq, Russell has all the intraday levels that a market can have support and resistance. And also we give you base pressure, high strike price, and so on and so forth. But now we're going to make it easier for you. So let's say you have NinjaTrader, and you don't have to plot. Now you can look at all 10 markets with click of one thing. Just go back to the previous page and download this indicator from our website, version 1.0.3. And once you log in, it will ask you for username, password, and the guide on how to do this is all available. And it's ready to go. So let's say you have NinjaTrader running, and you have all these charts that are open. Let's say, look at a 30-minute, and this is a 60-minute chart. Let's open a new chart. I go new, and I go chart. And let's do Nasdaq, for example, and I want to do 30 minutes and 3 days. That's good enough for me. So this is a blank free chart from your NinjaTrader, and I would right click, go to indicators, and let's add one indicator called, let me load a template first. Let's load a template for so let's do 30 minutes, and let's do with the BBs. Okay, so it gives you all the trend and highs and lows and everything else. You can choose any template whatsoever like. So let's do templates, and let's do support and resistance. There you go, another one that gives you highs, lows, market high, and so on. And there you go. Let's make another one. Let's load maybe, if you like to do strength at the bottom. If you like strength, that's a different thing. But anyway, let's say if you don't want to choose any templates and make it blank. So let's go load, and let's do default. So that's a blank template. All I care about is going to indicators, and I'm going to add 2 indicators. One, I'm going to add price line, and one I will add super areas levels. So this market is Nasdaq, so I would type in the symbol for Nasdaq, my super areas username 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I will press OK. And there you go, it connects, and it pulls from our server the predicted support and resistance levels, all the way 8 of them. So 4 high, 4 low, 1 2 3, and now gives you visually an idea of where the market is. Okay, I want to look at ES as well. Okay, let's make another one. Let's do ES, and ES again, 30 minutes with 3 days. I load it. Let's add an indicator, and I would like to add super areas. Let me add price line first, and let's add Supply sign kind of gives you the yellow line that moves across. And this time it is ES. It doesn't matter the capital or not. My username and password 123456. I log in. And the yellow line is done, and there you go, my area. So if I want to trade based on my levels, just gotta turn on chart trader, and let's say if price goes right here, let's move this a little here. If price goes, let's say here, let's do a sell limit, and which I can move inside the box after if I like. And if I want to do a buy here, let's do a buy here. There you go. And I can move it here or wherever you like. So now you have an idea that a price goes here, price goes here. You can do buy and sell based on support and resistance. Let's open another market. Let's do Russell. Again, 30 minutes, 3 days. Right click, indicator. I do again one more price line first. And I would do RTY and RAC. Yeah. There you go. Russell is done. One more. And you gotta do this just one at a time. Let's do Dow, YM. 30 minutes, 3 days. Right click, indicators, price line, and super areas, YM. There you go, Dow should be working. There you go, Dow is done too. Next area, I want to look at gold, GC. Let's do GC gold futures of, I believe we have to do gold a little bit early. Gold December contract. Don't do January. So 30 and 5, 3 days. Okay. And I would do indicators and price line again. And let's do super areas and GC. And gold would be connected shortly if I got the right thing. There you go. Gold is done. Next area we'll pull up is crude oil. Crude oil future. 30 minutes, 3 days, good enough. Let's do crude oil. Yeah, price line. CL. Crude oil, it's going to go pull the data for crude oil shortly. There you go, crude oil is done. Next level. Let's say you want to do natural gas, NG. Let's see if I can see, not natural gas. I got the natural gas, 30, 3 days. Indicator and price line. I would do all of this. You gotta do just one time, as long as your subscription NG is active at super areas. You don't have to worry about daily doing this one time, and that's it. There you go. My natural gas is connect. Give it a little bit time because it's gonna pull the data live. And NG dot, let me double check what's going on with NG. We are okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, NG I will go back to. And let's do 6C, Canadian future. we add one more chart. 6C, 30 minutes, 3. I think there you go, natural gas got loaded. And then we have indicators, and you have next to 6C. Well, I will do one more, 6B. $30 days, 3. Price line. 6B. And let's do one more, 6C. You can do them in micros or mini, doesn't matter. So 6C, and I will do indicators, price line, C. There you go. It's gonna load up. Done. So what do we have? MNQ, ES, Russell, down. So let's turn on chart trader for all of them. Done. Chart trader. Done. Chart trader. Done. Chart trader. And you can load the default template and then load this indicator on top. I'm just doing it for blank for somebody who doesn't have the whole package. I would prefer to load this on a 30-minute BBs. That's my favorite chart. And there you go. Now my level is there. If it hits there, I would like to sell. If it goes here, I like to buy. So I can place my limits order on every chart. All I have to do is MNQ, where the price is. All right, moving here. It is below S1 and above R1, S2. Yes, above S1, below R1. Okay, Russell. Below R1, above S1. What is this? Below R2, above. So now you have all the levels. Gold. All right, gold is right now below expected low and extreme, in between expected and extreme. Crude oil is below expected and extreme. Natural gas is below expected high and expected low, because natural doesn't have intraday. 6C, same idea. Where is it? It's below extreme low. 6B, it's between expected high and expected low. And 6C. So whenever you can see when the market is, you can brand new fresh area on the day. You can go in at 8:45 will automatically refresh. So 8:45, when you see that your data is uploaded here, and you can watch the areas here, and it's uploaded. It will. All you gotta do is just right click and click reload Ninja Script. Right click, reload Ninja Script. Right click, reload Ninja Script, and it will pull the latest levels from our server, so you don't have to draw any box. It's all done automatically for 10 markets, and I will just go to workspaces and save. All done. So next time when I will open, I will have these 30-minute charts for all markets, and I can just, do I have price line for all of them? I add it, and yes, price line, price line, price line, price line. I didn't add price line here. Let me add price line on this one. Price line here. Let's add it. This I added. This let's save it. And there you go, guys. And you're all done. All good. while other charts are working beautiful. This is my 1440, my 60-minute full software. And if you want to load, let's say even this indicator, so I want to load this on a 40 minutes. So all I gotta do, existing chart, don't have to do anything, right click, indicators, don't touch anything else, just add the super areas thing. So if you want to add it to an existing chart, that works. So it's cdn.tm, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I press OK, there you go, the levels are all done, so nothing changes. And I want to watch on this particular chart too, the ES 60 minute. All right, indicators, and I add super areas. So you can add it to any, but this market is ES. So ES, I will go and there you go, support and resistance level. Done. One click, and I will save it so it stays like this every day. And now these are blank charts. Now, no point of adding it to 1510 or it's a 30-minute Nasdaq, the default one with BBs. Let's add indicators. And I add, so you can do it to any chart whatsoever. Levels, Nasdaq, areas. There you go, instantly done. Nothing to worry about where the levels are. All of it is pretty much done for you instant. So you can now have extra confirmation where price is and go from there. If you want to analyze more, if you want to analyze less, pick a blank chart. I wouldn't add it to 30/20 or things like that, but now I can save this. And now you have in one click all 10 charts. So if I don't want to see anything, all I care about is this. This is right here. I have 10 markets open. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Every morning, 8:45, 8:30. As soon as it gets updated on superareas.com, over Algo will update it. You already have ready to go for your this. And soon we will have this finished for TradingView. TradingView right now only has Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Soon, all you gotta do is make this to add it to your favorites, follow us, and then we will give you access to it. We just need your email address at superareas.com as well as your TradingView username. That's all we need. All right, guys, hopefully this helps. And this was a long overdue thing. So nothing you have now. You can trade 10 markets with blink of an eye. You can plot, it will plot 120 numbers or so. As you see, looking at each area, morning area, let's say you have how many numbers you got. So the computer plots 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there you go, 1 2 3 4 times 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 times 4, 64 plus 1 2 3 4 5 well over, like, and then if we start to do more markets, let's say crypto, micro, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tesla stock, so we'll add those levels one at a time. But now all of this is done simply with we're planning to bring MBT and MET, micro Bitcoin and micro Ethereum, part of the package. And there you go, simple as that. And you just have to don't have to do anything manual at all. Everything is automated. Hopefully this video makes sense, and if you have questions, you can always reach out to superareasupport.com at the bottom, and we can help you out. All right, guys, take care. Enjoy. Bye-bye.